Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video tutorial on how to lock your Facebook profile. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to ensure your Facebook profile remains secure and private. So, let's get started. Open the Facebook app and log in to your Facebook account. Next, tap on the menu button in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile. Now, tap on the three dots button below your profile picture. From the list of options, select Lock Profile. Facebook will now provide you with information about what happens when you lock your profile. Take a moment to review this information. Once you're ready, tap on the Lock Your Profile button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm your decision to lock your profile by tapping OK. You can also lock your profile by following this method. Tap on the three lines menu button at the bottom right corner. Then tap the gear-shaped settings button at the top right corner. Scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on profile locking. Tap on Lock Your Profile option. Congratulations! Your Facebook profile is now locked. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.